I was in a program called Spirituality and Healthcare. So we were introduced to Dr. Gabor Maté's literature because he connects spirituality with healthcare. So Dr. Gabor Maté, he was a little child when he left Germany or Austria, one of those areas. He said, and I found out now recently that he's a Jew. He said, when I went to Israel and I visited some of the settlements and some of the areas that where Muslims live, he's a Holocaust survivor. He's saying that. Most of his family were killed. They went into the camps. Professor Maté is saying, Dr. Gabor Maté is saying that I cried for 2 weeks. He says, every night when I would go to bed, I would cry. And I said, wow, we have resurrected Holocaust now on Muslims.